Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to Chemistry IIT online class. Our third chapter name is Separation of Mixtures. Synopsis 7 and 8. In the previous class, we have discussed separation methods. Now, by using gravity method, like all matter, the earth generates a gravity field that can be measured using specific instrumentation. From our perspective, the earth exerts a constant pull of gravity which we experience as things either falling or being held to the ground. However, the force of gravity is not same all over the world. The varies at different places. Things like mountains, oceans, trenches, tidal movements, even large buildings and structures can affect the Earth's local gravity field. These, as well as the composition of elements within the Earth crust, all cause micro variations in gravity all over the Earth. Some scientists measure these micro variations using either ground-based or aerial instruments. A gravitational meter works by the recording the downward acceleration of mass from the minute fluctuation. This device is known as the accelerometer. The accelerometers used in gravitometers are extremely. For ground-based gravity imaging, a portable gravitometer the size of knee-high box is placed on the gravitometer. The size of knee-high box is placed on the ground at sequentially points along the predetermined grid. The operator records a reading at each successive point and advances to the next point along the grid either by the utility vehicle or helicopter. This method is separation by gravity method. Hydraulic washing also one of the gravity method. This is based on the differences in gravities of the ore and gangue particles. It is therefore a type of gravity separation. Ore and gangue particles are impure substances. Clusters the concentrated by this method will find tables are specially made tables for washing of ores. Then the powder is washed with the current of flowing water. Lighter gangue particles washed away and the heavier ore particles remain behind at the bottom. Sublimation activity. Take a china dish, add 1 tablespoon of chalk powder in it. Add 1 tablespoon of ammonium chloride to the chalk powder. Now mix them with a spoon. Sublimation means solid state directly converted into gaseous state. Take a glass funnel which is big enough to cover the dish. Take a piece of cotton and close the mouth of the funnel. Now place an inverted funnel over the china dish. Heat them mixture. Observe the changes that solid ammonium chloride crystals directly converted into the vaporization state or gaseous state. This process is called the sublimation. Solid directly converted into the gaseous state, that is called the sublimation. Initially, we observe the vapors of ammonium chloride and then the solidified ammonium chloride on the walls of the funnel while chalk powder remains in the dish. Learning object. We learn that as the ammonium chloride is a sublime, after heating it will directly convert it into vapor. In this vapor will again condense at the vapor colder part of the funnel to form solid ammonium chloride. In this way, the mixture ammonium chloride and chalk powder can be separated. Sublimation is the property of substance in which they are converted directly from solid to gases. Such substances are known as sublime. Some examples of sublime are ammonium chloride, camphor, naphthalene balls. Fractional distillation. When the boiling points of the two liquids are very close, then simple distillation does not work. In that case, the fractionating column is used, which is a long tube provided obstruction to the passage of vapors upwards and the passage of downwards. The mixture of liquids A and B, 370 Kelvin and 380 Kelvin boiling point respectively, is present in the flask. On heating the flask, the vapors obtained are more of A and less of capital B. As the vapors rises up in the fractionating column, the partially condensed liquid flows down. The vapors of B condensed faster as compared to the A, vapors moving up richer in A. The condensed liquid flowing down strikes the vapor and it consumes the molecule of B. This process is repeated throughout the fractionating column, due to which is the vapors escaping through the top of the column. Or almost of A and liquid left in the flask almost of B. Next method is chromatography. Chromatography is based on the Greek word chroma for color. This technique is extensively used to separate mixtures into their components, purely compounds, and also the test the purity of compounds. Paper chromatography aim. The aim of this activity is to separate the different components of dye using paper chromatography. Required material. The material used in this lab activity are beaker, pencil, black ink bottle, filter paper, cello tape. Procedure. Take a thin strip of the filter paper. Draw the line just above the bottom of the filter paper using pencil. Put a small drop of ink at the center of the line. Let it dry. Now take a beaker and pour small amount of water in it. Hang the paper strip with the help of the pencil and tape in such a way the drop of the ink on the paper is just above the water level. Now leave the water undisturbedly. Remove the paper strip from the water after 10 minutes. Observe the changes. We have observed the changes. The water gradually rises up the filter paper by capillary action. As water moves up the paper strip, it takes along the dyes. The dye, which is more soluble water, dissolves first, rises faster, and produces colored spot on the paper at higher position. The less soluble dyes dissolved in a little later, rise slower, and from the colored spots as well as. From this activity, we learned that we can separate two or more different substances present in the same solution. Chromatography is a laboratory technique for the separation of mixtures into individual components. We can use chromatography to separate the components. The process can also be used to separate the colored pigments in the plants and flowers also. And separating immiscible liquids. A separating funnel is used for the separation of immiscible liquids of different densities. Examples are oil and water. A separating funnel is a special flask in the shape of the inverted cone. It has a mouth of the top and stopcock of it. The mixture of immiscible liquid is filled in the separating funnel placed on a stand. It is allowed to stand for solution. The two liquids from distinct layer. The lighter liquid comes to the top of the and heavier liquid settles to the bottom. Now the stopcock is opened and at first the bottom layer is removed. When this finished, the top layer is removed into the another container. Thus, we can separate the two liquids. Number 117, practice sheet 1, conceptual understanding questions. First one, which of the following is pure substance? Air, salt solution, soil, oxygen. Air, all mixture of gases. Salt solution means salt and water solution. Soil also mixture of all layers. Oxygen having only oxygen molecules, that is the pure substance. The process of transferring clear liquid without disturbing the sediments is called. This is the sedimentation process. That clear liquid of sediment is called the sedimentation. The process of separation of insoluble solid constituent of mixture from its liquid consistent by passing it through some porous material is called. Then insoluble material to soluble material separated, that is called the filtration. Visible unwanted particles are removed by the hand. This process is called hand picking. Color, size, different particles of a pure substance, we can take out that hand, that is called the hand picking. The insoluble solid material which settles down when suspension is allowed to stand undisturbed is called sedimentation. That particles, insoluble material are sediment and soluble material are sedimentation. The clear liquid obtained from suspension of an insoluble solid and liquid by the process of filtration is called insoluble material and soluble material separated, that is called the supernatant. Separating the particles of different size by using the sieve is called. We can find out or separate it by using the sieve, that is called the sieving. Insoluble consistent left on the filter paper when a mixture of an insoluble solid and liquid is filtered is called residue. Which of the following is an example of heterogeneous mixture? Iron filings in sulfur. Answer is iron filings in sulfur. Question. Sieve is an apparatus having holes, a stand, a plate, a handle, that having holes. Single correct answer type. Identify the mixture from the following: oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, air. Air is the mixture of all gases. Answer is air. An example of solid in solid homogeneous mixture is soil, milk, air, brass. Example of solid material, that is the homogeneous mixture, that is the brass. Brass means one of the metal substance. Which of the following is an example solid liquid homogeneous mixture? Example, salt in water. Solid, liquid. Salt is the solid state, water is the liquid state. Which of the following is heterogeneous mixture? That is the blood. Water and red cells mixing particles, that is the heterogeneous mixture. The example of liquid mixture is water and alcohol. Sand and gravel may be separated from each other by using a sieve. Sand and gravels separated by the operator, that is the sieve. Which one of the following substances is a mixture? Seawater. Seawater mixtures of all chemicals and elements and stones, soils, so many mixtures, that is the seawater. Which is the solid mixture? Solid mixture are salt water, alcohol, iodine and sand. Iodine one of the solid material and sand also one of the solid material. This example is iodine and sand. Wheat grain remained in the wheat flour is separated by the method of sieve. Seawater is an example of solid liquid mixture. Seawater is an example of solid liquid mixture. Multi-correct answer type questions. Air is a mixture of oxygen, nitrogen and water vapor. Which of the following are examples of mixtures? Petroleum, seawater. These are the examples of the mixtures. Which constituents are present in soil? Sand, clay, water. These are the present in soil. Which of the following substances can be separated from water by filtration? Stones are sands and salt. Salt, sand and stones are separated by the filtration. Which of the following are not examples of mixture? Blood, smoke, oxygen, hydrogen. Oxygen, hydrogen are the not mixtures of the example. Which methods can be used for the separation of solid liquid materials? That is the filtration. Statements. Each component in mixture retains its individual properties. Components can be separated by the physical means only. These both are having not correct answers. Both statements are incorrect. Comprehension type. Winnowing, handpicking, sieving are some of the common methods used for separation of mixtures. Which method is used to separate solid mixtures? Handpicking, winnowing, threshing. These all are examples of the solid mixtures. The process by which husk from grain separated by farmers. Decantation, handpicking, winnowing, sieving. Here process is the handpicking or winnowing. The process in which the stacks of the harvested crop are threshed against the slab of rock is called threshing. Answer is threshing. Match the following. Column 1. Separation method, sedimentation, handpicking, filtration, winnowing. Examples of the separation methods are damaged fruits from fresh fruits, husk from grain, muddy water, stone for rice, used to separate solid mixture. Sedimentation means muddy water separated. Handpicking means stone for rice. Filtration used to separate the solid mixtures. Winnowing means husk from the grains. Winnowing means husk from the grains. Thank you and God bless you all.